Child's bike, exploring. I don't know what's more fun. Stick around in this video and you're gonna find out. Hey you guys, hope y'all are doing good. Welcome to the experimental video. I'm trying out a chest mount, so stick around, we'll see if it works. So yeah, really weird angles with the chest mount. There's my little butt bag there, it's got all my goodies. But yeah, so I'm just not far from my house. I'm just on the side of the mountain here. Just exploring a little bit. I knew there wouldn't be much snow in this area, so I thought I'd give her a try. We're not far from the water actually. I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, like I was saying, the chest mounts, you guys let me know in the comments below how many of you guys run, chest mounts. I find that I'm trying to aim the camera, whereas it's nice when it's on the helmet because whatever I'm looking at, you guys can see. And I realize you can get seasick from that, but there hasn't been that many people complaining on my channel that they don't like the angle of the helmet cam. The odd person says get a chest mount, but I don't know if that's going to be cool or not. We'll find out when I get home in this video. If the footage is all a waste of time, then we'll know. I can't believe how steep we can go up with, like, this is pretty darn steep. I know it don't look like that, but believe me, it is. And these things are just like a billy goat. They don't even, like, it'll wheelie before it loses traction. Holy steep in here. Have to do switchbacks to get up this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we can go up that. So much fun, you guys. I know I sound like a broken record, but good Lord. That is just awesome. Little cliff here. Never even knew about that. So this is very cool, you guys, like off the scale, off the charts cool. I'm literally right up beside my highway here. I found some old animal trails, or probably a deer trail, I'd imagine. Look at some of the old, I don't know if you can see that old gas can. Some debris in here. It's a major cliff above me that I used to ride by on my dirt bike all the time. But look at these little trails, like this is just, you'd never think you'd be going across stuff like this, really slow and enjoying it. See that old jug there? It's probably been there a while. Yeah, there's all kinds of junk up there actually. I just love exploring. I don't know how many of you guys like to explore too. I'm out on my trials bike. I probably haven't exceeded 5 miles an hour all day long, or all afternoon long, I should say. I'm just having a hoot. And you're improving your skills big time. Can't say enough about these little bikes. I guess that's the theme of the video. How much fun is a trials bike? Just find logs and challenge yourself. Oh, not like that. Loving it, you guys, loving it so much. I can guarantee you one thing, if I don't own this trials bike, it'll be a brand new one. Because it's now entered my life and there's no going back from that. So yeah, I hope to push this sport on to more people, even though I'm more or less a beginner myself. Beginner to trials riding, that is, anyways. Here's a tip I'm going to give you guys that I've kind of learned. I'm sure all the trials guys already know, but if you start to break traction a little bit, all you got to do is back off the throttle a tiny bit and then just slip the clutch a tiny bit and dig your weight back in. I'll show you what I mean if I can do it right here. Let's see. And just lean backwards like that a little bit and the back tire just digs right in. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm really wanting to find a little lip that I can do like one of those 180s. I saw some guys doing them. I just love how you can chug around. That looks loose. Second gear maybe? No, like nothing, worse. A lot of this stuff, you know, on your enduro bike, it's a little heavier and traction isn't quite as good as on a trials bike with the enduro bikes, but I surprise myself every time I go for, you know, you look at a log and it's like, I don't know, that looks a little big. And then you try it, it's like, seriously? That's pretty cool. First time I ever tried that, but I'll definitely be doing more of those. Used to do those on the BMX all the time, but yes, very awesome. Loving it. Off the scale fun, you guys. I know I'm like a broken record, aren't I? But seriously, I think the coolest thing that appeals to someone like me is I have a lot of places to ride within 5 minutes of my house, maybe 10. You know, you don't want to disturb your neighbors, you want to go just a little ways away. So to hop on that, it's nice and quiet. You're getting some awesome practice, and yeah, it's pretty unique sport. So yeah, that's the angle with me just standing normally. So if I want to have a conversation with you guys, you're staring at the sun and the moon. If I lean over. So I'll go ahead and close the video out now, you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit the little button right there. Drop some comments below and let me know what you think about these trials vlogs. I'm definitely going to do lots more of them. Still trying to get the YouTube channel going the way I want. Still trying to get my equipment working the way I want, but it's slowly coming along. We got a good number of subscribers now, over 13,000. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Drop a comment, hit the old like button, subscribe if you're new, and check out the drop down arrow below. It's got all my links to my social media. So right on, appreciate it, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.